Textile prints require careful balance between artistry and repetition, ensuring the design looks appealing both up close and across large surfaces. Today we are explore how to design seamless textile prints. Launch Photoshop and create a square document around 1800 pixels for high-resolution detail. Draw or import motifs like florals or ornaments and arrange them naturally across the canvas with varied rotation for realism. Use Filter, Other, Offset to reveal seams and adjust elements along edges so transitions become invisible. Apply soft gradients or texture overlays to simulate